Edureka Review, Pricing Explained: What you get for your money. Edureka is a popular online learning platform, but most people get this wrong. They assume courses are either too expensive or too limited. The surprising truth is that Edureka offers competitive pricing combined with live, instructor-led sessions, which sets it apart from self-paced competitors. Individual courses range from to covering topics like data science, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. You won't believe what's included: lifetime access to course materials, recorded sessions, support, and certification assistance. Some professional learning paths and bootcamps can cost $500, but they bundle multiple courses, projects, and mentoring, making them cost-effective for serious learners. Most people get this wrong by comparing only upfront costs. They underestimate the value of live interaction, debt-clearing sessions, and hands-on projects that accelerate real-world skill acquisition. In conclusion, Edureka pricing is transparent and delivers value. By understanding course tiers, included support, and long-term access, you go from zero to pro in choosing the right plan for career growth and technical upskilling without wasting money.